Hello everyone, here we are back again. This video is a request from some of my students, some of my viewers who have reverted with the query, how does one intervene in a video group discussion round? Especially when it's a round that is selecting you for a professional role, that is a job. How do you intervene? How do you interrupt somebody who is already speaking and that person might be a really good speaker? So here's what I would do. Before I give you a few pointers, let me tell you, intervention or interruption is a necessary evil. We need to do it. I say evil because in some cultures, specifically in the Southeast Asian cultures, intervention or interruption when somebody else is speaking, also in the West, is considered extremely impolite and rude. There are instances where you are rejected simply because you have intervened or interrupted or spoken out of turn. However, in a group discussion, your team skills, your leadership skills are assessed simultaneously. So not only do you need to be a good listener, but you also need to gently ensure that you are listened to. What would I do? I would very politely raise a hand. However, in a case of 10 people on the internet screen or the computer screen or the screen of your device, it's very difficult to understand who is raising a hand if there are many participants and the pictures are in thumbnail mode, tiled mode. So when and if you have raised a hand and you have not gotten a request to talk, or you have gotten an intervention request where yes, you are allowed to talk, what do you do then? If raising your hand does not work, I would wait for a little bit of a pause in the person's speech. Everybody needs to pause. I would even go so far as to agree with that person's points, even if only to add a few more which may not be on the same line. So A, raise your hand, wait your turn. If you are invited to intervene, fantastic. If you are not invited to intervene, wait for a pause or a gap in the person speaking continuously for the last several seconds. I'm sure there will come a pause where you intervene. Unless these two are rejected or not acknowledged by your co-speakers, these are the best ways to intervene. However, if these two very polite intervention techniques fail, what do you do then? Again, I personally would use a phrase like, yes, I totally agree with your views, but I would like to make a point here. Can I come in for a minute? May I cut in here? These are the intervention phrases that I would use. So I wish you all the luck with intervening in a group discussion. If all else fails, my last resort would be to type in the chat box. Every meeting or every discussion has a chat box. To type in the chat box that I would like to speak. In the very least, the evaluator or the assessor who's assessing your round will make a mental note. If you make this comment a couple of times, will make a mental note that you are polite, you do not wish to interrupt somebody else's flow of thought, but it's not that you don't have anything to say. So these are a few tricks that I would advise you with. Raise your hand, wait for a pause, come in with a may I come in here for a moment, may I cut in here for a moment intervention phrase, and finally use the chat box. Here's wishing you the best. Bye bye.